Hello. My name's Kruze Hunter-Boyd, CEO of the Kruze Institute, and I'm about to share with you how you can earn a six-figure income online from anywhere in the world with this one skill set without even building a business. You've probably seen Amazon, dropshipping, crypto opportunities, real estate. You've probably seen things like Forex, trading online, digital marketing. Well, I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can earn a six-figure income online. Now, the first step is to learn high-ticket remote closing. So a lot of people ask me, Kruze, what is remote closing? What will I actually be doing, okay? Well, what it basically is it's selling high-ticket programs and products between $5,000 and $100,000 for really juicy commission checks, okay? So we really specialize in working with the online coaching and e-learning space. So you can sell programs, services, work with digital marketing agencies, online coaches, business coaches, people with business opportunities that are showing up on your newsfeed through Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, sponsored ads like this. Well, where we come in as the remote closer at the entry point once the lead or the appointment comes through in the calendar, okay? Which takes us to step number 2. How do I actually do this? Well, step number 2 is you connecting with a hungry, committed online business owner that's already doing 7 or 8 figures a year in their company, okay? So what that basically means is that they're already established, they've got the brand, they've got the marketing infrastructure, they've got the marketing budget, the leads are coming through, they're already hot, warm and qualified, nurtured through the marketing, and all you have to do is talk to them on the phone, take them through 2 steps from hello to successful sale, and as a result of that, you can earn thousands of dollars per sale. Say for instance, you're selling a $5,000 program, average commission would be between 10 and 20%, which means that let's say it's 20% commission, you can earn $1,000 in net income per sale. Industry standard is you do 3 of those a week, which means you're earning $3,000 a week in net income, only working a few hours a day with the ability to create your own schedule. How good's that? Without having to build anything, without any frustrating tech or unwarranted expenses, just one singular focus, one offer, and one juicy commission check, okay? So now we move along to step number 3. Well, how do I actually do this, Kruze? How do I convert more of these sales? Well, that's where a mentor comes into the picture. Someone who's got the results that you want in life, who's where you want to be, who has specialized knowledge. So just a little bit of background on myself. I've been able to convert over 2 million in high ticket sales in an 18-month period. So I successfully did it myself, lived the life of my dreams, traveled the world, went to over 7 countries, retired my mum, got my dream multi-millionaire mentor. I've been able to do phenomenal things in a short period of time. And then I started to teach other people how I created financial freedom at such a young age, how I became an investor in things like cryptocurrency, NFTs, stock, and real estate. So I started teaching other people because I wanted to give back, because I created, honestly, the most important thing was fulfillment, but also a high income in life that gave me opportunities that I never thought existed 4 years before dropping out of university. Okay, so we plug in our 3-step sales flow system that's responsible for over 20 million in sales. We give you the scripts, we role play, we get you proficient, certain, focused, committed, ready to hit the phones. And on average, our students will close their first high ticket sale within 4 calls because the leads are really warm and hot. We train you up to the point where we take you through a certain training plan where you're confident, you're certain, you know exactly what you need to do. You know the scripts like the back of your hand and you're ready to start making money, which means from the first week, you're in the position to be earning thousands of dollars in income straight away, okay? So these are the 3 steps. Let me recap for you. Number 1 is learn high ticket remote closing, selling programs and products between $5,000 and over $100,000. Step 2 is connecting with a hungry online business owner, which we guarantee a position because I'm now in sales recruitment and build sales team. And we've got business owners right now, a list of over 100 who are desperate for people that are trained up in our system. That's number 2. Then number 3 is help them sell way more with 3-step sales flow system, which is already there. The process is laid out for you that's been battle tested on over 200 remote closers, ready to hand over to you. We just got to practice with you, get the right tonality, get you confident, and then you can jump in straight away and earn your 6-figure online income. Now, we've got an opportunity where we're looking for 10 more people to join us, and we're going to limit it at that amount. Every single week we get over 100 applicants. So we're looking for 10 more hungry, committed individuals who are ready to level up in 2022. So if you're interested in the opportunity, click on the link below, learn more, and I'd love to have a chat with you. So you can watch a 15-minute video, see if it resonates, and if we're a good fit, then book in a call and we'll have a chat with you over 10, 15 minutes. No obligation call to see if we're a good match, and then we'll go from there. Bye for now.